Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and that you are serving the Lord as you should. Today I'm going to be cooking pork stew and I'm going to be cooking for a family of 6 and we are going to eat this for 2 days. So apparently for a house now, me one day have a chop. Okay, so my mom doesn't eat, my dad doesn't eat, the kids they just nibble food, stuff like that. Okay, so I'll take you to the market. Come and cry with me. Oh my god, the prices. So there's already some stuff in the house like the pork and then some spices. I don't need to buy that. When I go to Swan Market, there's this particular lady I buy from all the time, and this is because she has cooked in a restaurant and she knows basically all the spices that you need to cook whatever you need to cook. So any day I just reach market, I just tell Remy, I want to cook pork stew, I want to cook ndole, I want to cook the one, and then she just gives me the spices that I need to use, like the exact spices that you need. Okay, it's not like putting janga in salad. I even know some of you that put tomato and onion in arrow. But let's not talk about that.
This one,
500.
Yeah.
Easy. Chai.
No, easy.
What of time?
This.
On appelle ça comment?
Laurier, feuille de laurier.
On met sur.
On mélange avec le thym, on attache.
Seulement pour attacher.
Oui, mais si tu veux, tu mets aussi ça dans la nourriture. This leaf is fun too. And you mix it. But if you need all the thing, I put it. Well, then the sell for us now. Leaf and thing. For you know, then you mix the two.
Yeah, I want. How much they sell the leaf? How much they sell the leaf?
No, I mixed two. Oh, one on.
Okay.
One on. Spicy for cook this.
As it dry, so they do not hurry.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun when it's dry. Sir. Now I'm off my already. I know the sell for you. I will give you.
Okay. For grind them.
No, you put a
Just put a soap.
Yes, on top so.
Okay.
And this village.
Put this one for 50.
Yes. And then time.
Okay. Time. Okay.
Yes.
No, not this.
I leave this.
Yes, the sachet. Yes. Maybe we add this one. Add one. Yeah. Please calculate for me.
This sounds like Le mari de samedi.
Okay. Potato.
Yes, potato are 1,000.
Thank you.
long. Vite.
So for the ingredients I was blending, there was onion, there was green pepper, there was garlic and ginger. That's what I'm simmering and cooking the pork with. And these are the leaves the lady gave me to use for pork. I don't know what they are called, seriously, but it has a good flavor when cooked. Okay, so in here we have onion, green pepper, garlic, ginger. This is the thyme, the rice spices, rosemary, not well blended. I know jockey power. Carrot and green beans, I washed them. Tomato blended. Yep, and this is the bowl. We have this is bay leaf and every other thing. Yep. So once the pork cooks, you want to add in your tomato and boil. So the stew I'm trying to make is very, very dry, so you have to cook and you make sure that all the water evaporates. Okay, so you're trying to make it pasty, so just go ahead, add your tomato paste, and let everything boil. When your tomato and your paste is cooked, you want to go in now and add your onion, the green spices, the green pepper, the ginger, the garlic for the flavor. And I'll just go ahead now, add my bay leaf, add the dry spices that I made earlier. There's white pepper in this too. Yep, so the aroma stays held fresh. What am I trying to talk about? Yep. Now guys, important step, you need to make sure that the water evaporates, like all of it, before you add your carrot and green beans. This is because if you add your carrot and green beans before the water evaporates, by the time you're taking your soup out, man, your carrot is going to be pink and your green beans is going to be blue. Like the color is just going to be boring, okay, which is not aesthetically pleasing. Okay, so you want to make sure that all the water is out. You add your carrot and green beans, you add your oil. Look at that effect. Yes, yes, and yes. Now when I'm done with all my cooking and oil, I go ahead with this secret ingredient of mine. The aroma is just beautiful. I use it for my fried rice, I use it for stew. This aroma épice, le secret de la cuisine. So when you put that in, your stew is served. Man, the stew smells amazing. It tastes just beautiful. By the time I was done, my little sister was back from school, so I had to share this with her. I grew up watching my mom and my big sister put bay leaf in our stews, in our rice, just many soups that we used to cook. And seriously guys, I can't tell you like the main use of bay leaf in soups, but one thing or two or three things that I know is that one, bay leaf helps to reduce migraines. I know you can also drink bay leaf as tea. We used to do that. And you can, bay leaf helps to break down proteins in food and it helps for digestion. Yeah, but you could check it online. Google has all of the vibes about everything that you need. Yeah, so basically bay leaf is a good thing. Learning is a good thing. I come to school to learn. Da 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 da. Thank you, mama. Is it hot? Asha, did you not blow it? It's hot.
It's not hot.
It's not more hot. How does it taste?
So good.
So good. Are you just saying because there's a camera here or true it's tasting good?
It's good. So good. I'm saying it because it's good.
Okay, don't talk with food in your mouth now. Thank you very much for appreciating the food. You're not looking at me.